The planet Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in our solar system. It is about a third the size of Earth and has a rocky surface. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, called an exosphere, consisting mostly of atoms that were blasted off its surface by the solar wind. Mercury has a heavily cratered surface, due to the lack of atmosphere that would normally erode or weather the surface. Mercury also has some of the largest known impact craters in the solar system, including the Caloris Basin, which is over 1,300 kilometers, 800 miles, in diameter. Mercury has a very slow rotation, taking about 59 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. This means that a day on Mercury, the time it takes to rotate once on its axis, is longer than a year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun. Mercury also has a very elliptical orbit that brings it as close as 77 million kilometers, 47.9 million miles, to the Sun and as far as 69.8 million kilometers, 43.3 million miles, away from it. Mercury has no moons or rings. Mercury's surface temperature varies greatly because of the planet's short year and lack of atmosphere to retain heat. Temperatures on its surface can reach up to 800 K, 480 degrees Celsius, 900 degrees Fahrenheit, during the day and can drop to 100 K, minus 173 degrees Celsius, minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit, at night. Mercury has been visited by only one spacecraft, NASA's Mariner 10, which flew by the planet in 1974 and 1975. In 2008, NASA's Messenger spacecraft became the first to orbit Mercury, studying the planet for 4 years before impacting the surface. In recent years, NASA is planning to send a new spacecraft, named BepiColombo, in order to study Mercury's surface, geology, and magnetic field. This mission will also study the planet's internal structure, as well as its exosphere and magnetosphere.